How to check client reviews on OnlineJobs.ph. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for OnlineJobs.ph. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, on top you will see this how it works option. What we need to do is to tap on this one. Once you're done, it will automatically show you a list of questions. What we need to do is to scroll down and look for this option, what if I don't get paid? In here, you will now see this option, verify employer. Simply tap on this one. After that, we'll have to input the name of the client or employer here. Once you're done, simply tap on the search employer option. After that, it will automatically show you the informations under that employer name or client. In here, you will see all the list of the job posts created by the client. Also, it will give you an information regarding if this client has received any complaints. As you can see, this client has not received any complaints and has an active and paid account. And then in here, you have to keep in mind that if you have a premium account, you can simply tap on the client's name and then it will automatically show you all the informations regarding that client. So that's how easy we can check client reviews on OnlineJobs.ph. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.